Into. Into.
Used to show when a person or thing changes from one form or condition to another.
Peel the cucumber and chop it into small cubes. Her novels have been translated into 19 languages. We're planning to turn the smallest bedroom into an office. Most. Most. Most, mostly.
Used before an adjective to show that someone or something has the greatest amount of a quality.
She's the most beautiful girl I've ever seen. She chose the most expensive coat in the shop. Of the four, he's the most likely to win.
More than anything or anyone else.
Which subject do you like the most? Sam enjoys the swings most of all.
Almost all.
In this school, most of the children are from the Chinese community. Most of our students walk to school.
Almost all.
I don't eat meat, but I like most types of fish. Most people think he's guilty. Least. Least.
As much as, or more than, a number, amount, distance, etc.
It will cost at least £500. You'll have to wait at least an hour. As. As.
In addition to.
There are soft drinks as well as coffee and tea. They have lived in the United States as well as Britain.
Having a particular use.
We used the box as a table.
Used to compare two things, people, amounts, etc.
She'll soon be as tall as her mother. I can't run as fast as you. The food here isn't as good as it used to be.
As much or quickly or soon, etc. as something can happen or be done.
Please sit down as quickly as possible. I'll go as soon as possible.
In the way that happens most of the time.
As usual, James was the last to arrive.
Because.
As it was getting late, I decided to book into a hotel. You can go first as you're the oldest. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks.
Said to politely accept or refuse something that has been offered to you.
Would you like some more cake? Yes, I will have a small piece, thank you. Do you need any help? No, thank you. Grandma. Grandma.
Grandmother.
My grandma is a very good cook. Fun. Fun.
Enjoyable or entertaining.
There are lots of fun things to do here.
Actor. Actor.
Actor. Actor.
Act, action, actor, act.
Someone whose job is to perform in plays, films, etc.
Who's your favorite actor? Robert De Niro. Top. Top.
The highest part of something.
She waited for me at the top of the stairs. There were cherries on top of the cake. We reached the top of the mountain in just under 6 hours. Great. Great. Greatness, great, greatly.
Large in amount, size, or degree.
A great crowd had gathered outside the president's palace. A great noise came from outside the building.
Ready. Ready.
Ready. Ready.
Readiness, ready, readily.
Prepared and available to be eaten, drunk, used, etc.
Is dinner ready? They're building new offices, but they won't be ready till next year. I'll get lunch ready for midday.
Deep. Deep.
Deep. Deep. Depth. Deepen. Deep. Deeply.
Having a long distance from the top to the bottom.
A deep river or sea or lake. The water's not deep here. Look, I can touch the bottom. The water's only ankle or knee or waist deep, so we'll be able to get across the river easily.
Floor. Floor.
Floor. Floor.
A particular level of a building.
This building has 5 floors. Take the elevator to the 51st floor. We live on the 3rd floor. Player. Player. Play. Player. Play.
Someone who plays a musical instrument.
A piano or violin player.
Something that produces sound or video.
A CD or DVD or MP3 player.
Simple. Simple.
Simple. Simple. Simplicity, simplification, simplify, simple, simply.
Easy to do or to understand.
The instructions were written in simple English. It's simple to find our house. I want an explanation, but keep or make it simple.